Now we'll extract a ghost image from a on-model photograph. So a ghost mannequin, whatsoever, invisible model. There's a multitude of names for this. So I found this image right here, and I'm going to extract the shirt. So this is the actual ghost mannequin image. Well, it appears more to be like a flat lay. However, if we upload the image right here under ghost, all right, then you'll be taken to the following screen. And in here, it's important that you brush the garment you would like to extract. So I'm taking a brush, here you go. And now I'm gonna brush out this shirt right here. Alright, so I completed this selection right now. It doesn't have to be pixel perfect, but it has to be pretty good, because otherwise the AI will try to, well, make something coherent out of weird stuff, which will get you weird results. So once you're done with this, you click apply. And from here, you have to click create. So I'll go a little bit to the right, so it puts the images over here. And we'll wait. And these are the 4 results. So I'll make this one smaller because this was the actual, well, the starting image or the actual on model. So you can see it did a pretty good job and staying close to the original. So starting from here, well, this one is a bit different, this one as well. But again, like if the result isn't there, you just press create again, and I'm pretty sure that in one of the next results, your exact expectation will be there. So what you can do from here, again, I'll delete it, and now I can also right click, by the way. I can set it to a flat and generate again, so I can very easily extract a ghost mannequin image from something I see somewhere online and then convert it back to a technical or a flat and start working with that again. And these are then the results that came out of it again. So you can see how easily then becomes to start mixing, well, extracting technical sketches from basically anywhere instantly. So good luck.